Get ready for part 2 of our Hajj question and answer. Test your knowledge on key rituals and rulings. Let's go. What is the ruling of Sa'i, walking between Safa and Marwa? A pillar of Hajj. What is the ruling of touching and kissing the black stone? A sunnah of Hajj. From which country are you watching this video? Let's see where future Hujjaj are coming from. What is the ruling of walking briskly, a Ramal, in the first 3 rounds of Tawaf al-Qudum? Sunnah. Do women perform Ramal, brisk walking, during a Tawaf? No. What is the ruling of the 2 rakas behind Maqam Ibrahim after Tawaf, Tawaf prayer? Confirmed Sunnah. If the pilgrim cannot perform the 2 rakas behind Maqam Ibrahim due to crowding, he should pray them anywhere in the mosque. How many rounds are there in Sa'i between Safa and Marwa? Seven. Every comment supports this video and spreads Islamic knowledge. Drop one now. Where does Sa'i begin? Starts at Safa and ends at Marwa. What is the ruling of starting Sa'i from Marwa? That round is invalid. Do women perform brisk walking, harwala, in Sa'i? No. What would be your first dua if you were standing on the plains of Arafah right now? Write it below. How are the prayers performed in Mina on the day of Tarwiyah? Shortened without combining. The Prophet ﷺ said, "There is no day on which Allah frees more people from the fire than on the day of..." Day of Arafah. What is the ruling of combining Dhuhr and Asr prayers at Arafah at the time of Dhuhr? Sunnah. What is the ruling of reciting quietly in Dhuhr and Asr prayers at Arafah, even if it's Friday? Sunnah. The Prophet ﷺ said, Hajj is Arafah. If you had 30 seconds at the Kaaba to make one dua, what would you say? Write it below. What is the ruling of fasting on the day of Arafah for the pilgrim? Disliked, makruh. Is purity a condition for standing at Arafah? No. What is the ruling of Maghrib and Isha prayers in Muzdalifah? If you know the answer, quickly write it in the comments. Think you are a Hajj expert now? Prove it. Comment your score below and don't stop there. If you've got epic ideas for Islamic quizzes, I want to hear them. And if you enjoyed this quiz, Masjid AlIslam has even tougher ones waiting for you. Click, watch, and test yourself if you dare.